touched so many lives, from those taken by the illness to their friends and family who are still grieving. Another group has found themselves able to survive the virus but unable to overcome long-term symptoms. Team 12's Mitch Carr spoke with a COVID long hauler.
Charles Mudge came down with COVID in March of 2020. 1 year later, he says he still has no sense of smell, no sense of taste, and no appetite. He says life is almost not worth living.
Well, it's like I say, a life that you have no joy in is not worth living, really.
No joy. That's how Charles Mudge describes his life as a COVID long hauler. No taste, no smell, no appetite.
I never really felt really hungry, but I knew I had to eat. I tried to force myself, but just could not get it down. I just wouldn't go past my throat.
In the years since Mudge got COVID-19, he says he's been getting by on cottage cheese and hamburgers when he can.
Sometimes I can't even get the meal down. I only weighed probably 160, now I'm down to 130.
Dr. Bronwyn Carlblom of Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine says COVID symptoms that stick around for more than a month meet the long-haul definition.
We're talking about people who have recovered from their initial infection, so they're not really testing positive anymore, but they do have these lingering symptoms that they just can't seem to get a grip on.
Doctors are still studying what causes those symptoms to remain. The plight of COVID long haulers like Charles reveals how much we still have to learn about this coronavirus, even as we try to eradicate it by vaccination.
In a decade, of course, we're going to know a ton more about this disease, how to treat it, how it mutates, how it, all of that stuff. I think having a good relationship with your doctor is really important in this situation because you need to feel supported and you need that kind of backup from the healthcare system to make sure that you're getting better.
And Charles is planning to visit his own doctor soon. He's also turning to prayer.
I have faith. God's with me.
In Scottsdale, Mitch Carr, 12 News.
Well, there are some